Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss special type of system of equations under the chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. The system of equations is like this: px plus qy is equals to r and qx plus py is equals to s. What makes it special is the interchange of the coefficients of the variables. In equation 1, you can see the coefficient of x is p and the same is the coefficient of y in the equation 2. Similarly, the coefficient of y in equation 1 is q and the same is the coefficient of x in equation 2. So let's see how to solve this. Okay, though we can solve this system by any other method, elimination, substitution or cross multiplication, but we are going to discuss a simple method by which we can find out the solution in a very easy manner. So let's see what is the procedure of that method. So first one, adding the both equations, we get p plus qx plus p plus qy is equals to r plus s. Now as p plus q is common on left hand side, so we'll take it common and write it like this: p plus q into x plus y is equals to r plus s. Dividing both sides by p plus q results in x plus y is equals to r plus s upon p plus q. This will be our equation 3. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get p minus q x plus q minus p y is equals to r minus s. We can write it as p minus q x minus p minus q y is equals to r minus s. Okay. Now p minus q is common on left hand side, so we can write it as p minus q into x minus y is equals to r minus s, and dividing both sides by p minus q, we get x minus y is equals to r minus s upon p minus q. This will be our equation 4. Now to find out the variables, we have to solve these equations 3 and 4, which can be solved in very easy manner. Now adding equation 3 and 4, we get 2x is equals to r plus s upon p plus q plus r minus s upon p minus q, and dividing both sides by 2, it results x is equals to 1 by 2 r plus s upon p plus q plus r minus s upon p minus q. Okay, now we are having the value of x and we can find out the value of y by substituting its value in equation 3 or equation 4. Let's see an example for better understanding. Now given equations are 152x minus 378y is equals to minus 74, equation 1, minus 378x plus 152y is equals to minus 604. Let's take it as equation 2. Now as per the procedure, adding equation 1 and 2, we get 152 minus 378x plus minus 378 plus 152y is equals to minus 74 minus 604. After solving, we get minus 226x minus 226y is equals to minus 678. As on left side, minus 226 can be taken as common. So this equation takes the form minus 226 into x plus y is equals to minus 678. Dividing both sides by minus 226, we get x plus y is equals to minus 678 divided by minus 226. After solving the fraction, we get the equation as x plus y is equals to 3. Now it is our equation 3. Now subtracting the equations, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 152 plus 378x plus minus 378 minus 152y is equals to minus 74 plus 604. After solving it, we get 530x minus 530y is equals to 530. Taking 530 as common, this results 530 into x minus y is equals to 530. And now dividing both sides by 530, we get x minus y is equals to 1. This is our equation number 4. Now we have to solve equation 3 and equation 4 to get the value of x and y. So now adding equation 3 and 4, we get 2x is equals to 4. And dividing both sides by 2, it gives x is equals to 2. Now we have the value of x. On substituting the value of x in equation 3, we get 2 plus y is equals to 3, or y is equals to 3 minus 2. This is y is equals to 1. Therefore, the solutions are x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Now let's check our solution. For this, we will substitute the value of x and y in both equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, let's write its left hand side portion as 152 into 2 minus 378 into 1. You can see we have substituted the value of x as 2 and y as 1. Now we get 304 minus 378, which results equals to minus 74, which is the right hand side of the equation 1. So equation 1 is satisfied with the values of x as 2 and y as 1. Now let's see equation 2. Write it from left hand side. So this is minus 378 into 2 plus 152 into 1 is equals to minus 756 plus 152 is equals to minus 604, which is the right hand side of the equation. So we can see the solutions have satisfied the equations 1 and 2. So these are the solution of these given equations, and this was the procedure to solve such type of equation. Thank you and have a nice day.